Hello everyone, I'm coming up with a short update. Now here we can see that is the Kohima side. There is very dark clouds coming towards the landslide area, and then most probably I'm afraid that it's raining in the landslide area. You can see dark clouds, and that behind this tree is the area where the landslide is happening. And then here we can see all around dark clouds. Just in case if this rain hit the landslide area, then I'm afraid their road condition may not be motorable as of this evening. So Sunday time around 4 p.m. in the evening. So let's have a look.